So first you need to remove the side tapes and remove the magnetic sensor front cover from the bottom. This is pre-filter. To remove it, kindly unhook the clips. This is carbon filter, also known as deodorization filter. Kindly remove the plastic packaging before use. This is anti-flue green HEPA filter. Kindly remove the plastic before use. Now we will assemble all the filters back in the machine. So the first one is anti-flue green HEPA filter. Please ensure that the front side is facing towards you. Next is the carbon filter, also known as deodorization filter. Next is the pre-filter. Please ensure that the front side is facing towards you. Finally, the front magnetic cover. Kindly plug the machine and switch on the power button. This is reset button. It acts as a filter replacement indicator. This is speed button. Use this button to select the desired airflow. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. To turn off the power, press and hold the power button for approximately 2 seconds.